If you're a believer, our blessed Lord has set for us a higher standard of ethics. The Lord asks us to love our enemies and pray for those who persecute us. Barely a few would consider you wise if you look someone who openly works against your success or maligns you in the eye and you say to that person, you know what? I forgive you and I pray for your blessings. If you propose the same grace to someone who is violent against you or your loved one, it sounds foolish, doesn't it? But the wisdom of God is justified in His works. Keep being good. God love you. God bless you.